Welcome. In front of me is a POCO X3 GT, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. To get started, we're gonna pull down our toggles by swiping down from the top of our screen, and obviously we're looking for the Do Not Disturb, which for me it is on the second page right over here, labeled DND. Once you see it, I'm gonna hold it the first time around, and this will quickly take you to the settings where you will be obviously able to change the settings that are set by default. So scrolling down, you'll see things like additional settings. So here we have a bunch of different So here we have a bunch of different toggles that you can mess around with. Then going back, we have things like the Do Not Disturb mode, so you can go in here and have several other settings. Now, I'm not exactly sure why it's all separated like this, but there we go. Now here, we have a toggle to turn it on or off, which you can also do by just tapping on the toggle right here, as you will see right now. We also have when device locked, so this will mean that the mode only runs in that time. Notify about callers, so you can choose who can call you, and you have to choose between anyone, contacts, favorites, or no one. And notify about repeated callers, so whatever you will select right here. So for instance, none can call us. If we toggle this on, if anyone calls us twice within a 15-minute period, they'll bypass this option altogether. Now anyway, once you went to the settings and just customize it to your needs, you can find the toggle and toggle it on at any time you want it. And once you're done with it, you will need to remember to turn it off, otherwise it will be running indefinitely in the background. So you do so by tapping on the toggle once again. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.